what you actually need to pass the BCS Foundation exam. No fluff, no BS, just the 4 things I know that work. So the first thing you need is the Business Analysis Textbook, the 4th edition by Deborah Paul and James Cadle. Honestly, if all you get is this book, I think you can pass the exam. You just need to read it cover to cover and know it inside and out. Like, my book is ripped to shreds because I've gone through it so many times. So that's the first thing, the Business Analysis Textbook. The second thing is the official BCS Foundation Certificate syllabus, because this tells you exactly what's on the exam. So you can very easily check what's on the syllabus, go to the relevant section in the textbook, and you're good. Third thing is the sample papers, or specimen papers they're called. We used to call them past papers. Let me know if you used to call it that as well. So this just tells you how the questions are structured. So the structure of the question, what type of questions could potentially come up, so you're not sort of puzzled when you get to sitting the actual exam. So that's the third thing, the sample papers. And the fourth thing, and the last thing, the final thing, is a spaced repetition app like Anki. This is where 90% of your learning is going to be done on this app. That's it. Business Analysis Textbook, BCS exam, syllabus, Business Analysis Textbook, official syllabus, specimen or sample papers, and an app that you're going to do your learning on. You don't need any expensive courses. You don't need a 3-day residential program to pass this exam. You don't need to spend hundreds or thousands of anywhere near that amount to pass this exam. You just need those 4 things. That's exactly what I did. I had a full-time job at the time. I had a newborn baby. My son was just born, and I had absolutely zero business analysis experience. I was still able to pass it first time. So when I started my business analysis journey, all I wanted was for someone to lay it out to me as I've laid it out to you guys just now. The specifics, no fluff, no filler, or no fancy marketing, just the real deal of what actually works. So your options now. I've put together a deck with 20 of the flashcards that I actually use to pass, just so you can see how they're structured. Again, I didn't make these flashcards as exam question and answer. They're just questions to get you into the mindset of the actual syllabus and are based on the syllabus also. So they're completely free. You can get them in the link in the description. If you want to actually go a bit more in, I have a 180 card deck that I used. This was all I used in addition to the 3 other things I mentioned. It's the exact deck I used, and it's what allowed me to pass. I have that also in the link in the description for £20. It worked for me. I think it can work for you guys. Thank you.